Welcome. We are going to build a fully functional task manager in Python. We will cover tuple, list, set, list comprehensions, for loop, and professional file handling. Let's dive in. We store data inside variables. But variables have a big weakness. They live in your computer's RAM. That means the moment you close your program, the data is gone forever. Today, we fix that. We will write a script that saves your to-do list to a text file so it survives a system restart. We don't need to create a whole new project for this. We can just add a script to our existing workspace in PyCharm. Go to your project folder on the left. Right-click, go to New and select or create a Python file. Let's name this Task Manager. Now we have a fresh blank script ready to go. First, we need a place to hold our data. In Python, we have different types of containers. A tuple is a list that cannot be changed. This is great for settings. See this parenthesis? That tells Python, don't let anyone change this. But for actual tasks, we need to add and remove things. For that, we usually use a list with square brackets. However, instead of starting with an empty list, let's see if we have any saved data first. To read a file, we use a try and except block, just in case the file doesn't exist yet, like on the very first one. Inside the try block, we use this with keyword. This with statement is a context manager. It's a professional way to code because it automatically closes the file for us when we are done. No more memory leaks. We will read all the lines into a variable called raw data. Here is a pro tip. When you read from a text file, Python keeps the invisible new line character at the end of every line. It looks messy. We could write a long loop to fix that, or we can just use a list comprehension. Look at that syntax. It's saying strip the white space from every line inside raw data. It does a whole loop in one single line of code. If the file is not found, that is except block, we just set task to an empty list. Now let's ask the user for a new task. But what if the user types the same thing two times? For example, buy milk and buy milk. So buy milk is already on the list and we don't want duplicates. We could write complex logic to check, or we can just use a set. A set is a collection that cannot have duplicates. By converting our list to a set, Python automatically deletes any double entries for us. Then we turn it back into a list. We have our updated list. Now we must save it, or we lose it. We use with again, but this time in W mode for write. Be careful. Write mode deletes the old file contents and creates a fresh version. We loop through our task and write them down, adding a manual \n so each task gets its own line. Finally, let's show the user what is on their agenda. We use a for loop. This loop grabs the first item, print it, then grabs the next until it hits the end. Let's run it. At first, we don't see any text file here. Also, current task loaded is 0. For the first run, I will add learn Python. Run it. We see our updated to-do list. And also, we see that a new text file has been created. If we check the content of the text file, we see learn Python is here. Now run it again. This time we see current task loaded is 1. I will add go to gym, see the updated list and the updated text file. For third run, I will add go to gym again. Look at the output. The set caught the duplicate go to gym, so it was not included for second time. You just build a program that has long-term memory. You learned about tuple, list, set, list comprehension, for loop, and professional file handling. Next video, we will level up again. Thank you. Happy coding.